Hi everyone, it's Lorena from Tefal and I am going to talk about my favorite appliance, yes again, the Cook For Me Plus. We are going to make a one-pot taco macaroni and cheese pasta that will knock your socks off. So the Cook For Me Plus is a multi-cooker that uses pressure cook technology that is fully automatic. So perfectly safe, super quick. It comes with the recipes inside, so it has over 150 recipes. You just have dinner on the table in no time at all. So for this recipe, I'm going to use one of the inbuilt recipes, which is the beef taco recipe. So I just go into recipes, press OK, and there's starters, mains, and desserts. This one resides in the main section. And then you just simply scroll down. This is so easy to use. It's just scroll and click. And I'm going to go down to the beef tacos. There we go. You can tell the Cook For Me Plus if you want 2, 4, or 6 people. Press OK. It tells you that the prep time is 8 minutes, so to get your ingredients together is about 8 minutes. But the cooking time, can you see that? 5 minutes for beef tacos. I'm going to press OK. It gives you a list of the ingredients. Press OK, and off we go. Do you want to start the recipe? Yes, we do. And it takes you step by step. So even if you're a novice cook or you're not confident in the kitchen, this is just going to take you step by step and you're going to have a beautiful meal at the end of it. So the ingredient list for this recipe is really simple. It's things that you have on hand in the pantry or in the freezer. So we've got a sachet of taco seasoning. We've got a couple of onions chopped and some garlic. We've got about 200 grams of grated cheddar Leicester cheese, a tin of diced tomatoes. We've got about 700 grams of beef mince, nice lean beef mince, and 500 grams a pack of macaroni. You can use any pasta you like for this recipe. But again, really quick, really easy. We're going to do the taco mince first in the Cook For Me, and then we're going to cook the pasta in the same bowl. So that is just the epitome of one-pot cooking. And we're ready to fry. So I've got some nice hot oil in the bowl. Now this is a nice big deep 6-liter bowl with Cool Touch handles, so I actually serve that straight onto the counter when we have dinner. And it's got a beautiful ceramic base, so it's going to give us a really nice golden sear. So on your veggies or your meats, it's really fantastic. And of course, being Tefal, we've got our non-stick coating, so really easy to clean. So again, the Cook For Me takes you step by step. So it's asking me to brown the mince and the onion for 3 minutes and stir to break up the lumps. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to add the mince as well. I'm going to add the taco seasoning and the diced tomatoes. I'm also at this point going to add a little bit of water because this is a pressure cooker, so it always works with a bit of water or broth or passata or a bit of wine. You always need a little bit of liquid to get it going. So that's about a cup of water. Give that a stir. Do you want to stop the browning? Yes, we do. Add the remaining ingredients, the tomatoes, which we've done, and the water. Do you want to start the cooking? Yes, we do. And I love that sound because that means we're going to have a really quick and tasty meal in just minutes. That is going to preheat and then it's going to cook for about 5 minutes. It will release the pressure automatically, and then it actually goes on to keep warm for up to 5 hours. All right, so now our taco mince is ready. That's only taken minutes to cook in our Cook For Me Plus. And now I'm going to add the 500 grams of pasta, macaroni pasta, about 2 cups of water. Give that a stir, and then we're gonna cook it again for another 5 minutes. Perfectly cooked, one-pot pasta, our taco mac and cheese, all ready to go, pasta mac and cheese. And the last thing we need to do is just add the cheese. And that is a meal that the whole family will enjoy. So there you have it, our one-pot Mexican pasta meal cooked in about 10 minutes.